Hi traders, in today's video I just wanted to talk to you about this week and especially trading this week, because as you know, this week is the US election week, and as you may already know, in these kind of times you can't really trade in the regular normal way because of the huge volatility that this election is holding. Because you can think anything of the United States, it is one, if not the most powerful and influential countries on earth, and its currency, its president, its election hugely impacts the entire market and the entire world. So from this you can derive that trading as a retail trader in these times can be very, very dangerous and at least challenging. And if you are trading with my EAs or with your own EAs or just manually, I have some recommendations. And the first recommendation is to trade with a lower lot size, a lower risk. And I mean, there are many traders who think you shouldn't trade this week at all. I am not one of those traders because I like to backtest my EAs on entire sequences, periods where there are elections happening and crisis situations in the world. And also I like to see how my EAs are doing in these situations on live markets. But it is true that most EAs are highly dangerous in these situations, and if you are using a lower risk, like 1/5 of the risk that you would use, you still see how good your EA is taking these kind of markets, and it is, in my opinion, useful for future analysis of your strategy or EA. One or two things I wanted to tell you is that, for example, one of the reasons why it is not so beneficial to trade with, high risk in these situations, which many traders do. Many traders, according to analysis and statistics, are actually taking more risk in these kind of situations. So it is it is an emotional stage and period for many traders because the markets are very unpredictable. And it is because there are going to be exit polls, and many institutions are not even trading in this period. But the ones that are trading with highly sophisticated and very fast, above all, very fast algorithms that is not even possible for retail traders. And so when you would buy at a certain price, it is already filled and the spread is so high you are not going to make any money. These are very valid reasons to be cautious in this period. So in short, I don't want to tell you to not trade in this particular period, but what I am telling you is to trade with a lower lot size, to a lower risk, a 1/5, 1/4 of the risk that you are usually taking, because that is something that is going to give you good statistics and analysis possibilities, but your chances to blow up your account, are going to be much lower. And also the week after the election, that is also a very dangerous week. So use a lower risk that week as well. And if you have any questions about this period of time to trade with EAs, trade manually, just let me know in the comments, and check out my latest EA, which is the Apex. You can see 4 live signals on MQL5 and MyFX book for the EA. I have a great group, a very intelligent group for this EA, where you can discuss everything. It is private, it is only for customers. It is very important. And if you have any questions about the EA, just let me know. I am constantly working on its new updates to work even in these kind of situations like this election. It now has 8 dynamic exits, besides the stop loss and take profit, which are fixed. And so it is a great EA with a huge potential for the future, because I'm constantly working on it. Let me know if you have any questions.